welcome to my channel, Naturally Hey. So in this video I'm gonna show you all how I go step by step from this mess to bone straight. So I washed my hair last night. I used the I use this shampoo and conditioner. Even though I don't have color in my hair, I do like the way it makes my hair feel afterwards. So I washed my hair last night and just literally combed it out during the conditioner phase, and right now it just basically air dried, but I'm gonna go over with it with the blow dryer just to make sure it's all dry, and then I'm gonna get to flat ironing. So let's get right into it. So I just finished blow drying both sides of my hair. A masquerade flat iron. I use a Cortex flat iron, which you can tell it's time for a new one. And I don't put anything on my hair at all. I don't even put heat protector on there anymore because my hair can get oily very quickly. But I put my flat iron on probably like 425 because the highest is 450, but I don't quite go to 450. I'm not trying to burn my hair out. So yes, now both sides are fully dry, and it's time for the best part, which is to flat iron this part to do like that. So I usually just do 4 seconds. I'm gonna be using this comb when I comb out my ends. So basically, so I go through with the comb first, comb it out like that. It's hot. So one time I go through with it like this, and then the second time I go through with it with the comb. So it comes out like that. So start at the root and go down like that. And then for the second time I get the comb. I only go through my hair with the flat iron twice. So I'll get the comb, follow the comb all the way through. And like that. So you all can see, and my hair feels nice and soft. It doesn't feel hard or brittle. So now that's the whole process. So now it's time to get this head done, because just to give y'all a little info, this is the beginning of Fashion Week, and I figured I could just do my hair bone straight, and you can do a lot with that. So I just wanted to have it to where my hair could go into a lot of hairstyles if needed. And I feel like with bone straight hair you can. So that's my goal. And it usually doesn't take long at all for me to flat iron my hair because I only go through it twice. So literally it may take like 45 minutes. It depends on basically how my hair is turning out, because you know how hair can just be different and don't want to act right at times. Yes, that's my hair. So literally it's unpredictable. Like, it's unpredictable, and I don't know how to feel about that. But and it also just depends on how much time, because you see I went through that one the first piece, and I literally just decided to just do it with the comb that one time, because I didn't want to, it was a lot. I didn't want to like go through anything extra. So sometimes I go through it one time, sometimes I go through it again. But yeah, literally this is done that quick. And then sometimes, like when I'm done with the section, I'll get the whole flat iron like that and get the comb just to make sure all the pieces are good. And that's it. That's how I do one section of my hair. I finally got the first side of my hair completed. You see, it's nice and straight. And this side is still looking a mess, but we're about to get it done. So yeah, it feels good. And I usually always wear a little part. So repart my hair. It's been a minute since I had my ends cut. But yes, this is how I go from, this is like my straightening hair routine. So like I said before, I don't put any type of products in my hair because my hair is already oily naturally. So I don't think I need to add anything to it. So yes, this is the process of how I get it all straightened. And for my edges, what I usually do is they're mostly just about straight. I take my handy dandy edge brush and I just kind of just pull out my baby hairs a little bit so you can see. And there you go. I don't put any edge control on my edges because that would make them oily. So yeah, this is how I do my bone straight look. I don't use any products, and it really just depends on your hair type. Like if you know you have dry hair, I recommend adding some heat protectant to your hair and any type of oil that you may use afterwards to give it like its shine or its look. Me, I don't add any of that because my hair lasts longer when I don't use any products on it. So now I'm feeling like a bad one now. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I hope that you learned a lot of how to go from dry hair to like bone straight hair. If you have any comments or suggestions, please comment below. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for all my other videos. So thanks for watching. Bye.